Perhaps you've been called a sensitive soul, an old soul, or maybe, just maybe, you're beginning to understand that you are a chosen one. And if that resonates, then today's video is going to shed some serious light on a question you've probably asked yourself countless times. Why can't you be around too many people without feeling completely drained? This isn't just a preference. It's a spiritual truth you absolutely must know to thrive. So, let's dive deep into this. First off, what exactly does it mean to be a chosen one in this context? We're not talking about anything exclusive or superior here, but rather someone who is deeply connected to their intuition, highly empathetic, and often carrying a profound spiritual purpose, whether they fully realize it yet or not. These individuals often vibrate at a higher frequency, meaning their energetic field is naturally more expansive and sensitive than the average person. Think of it like this: your internal antenna is finely tuned, picking up on frequencies that others might miss. Now imagine that finely tuned antenna in a crowded room, a concert, a busy mall, a large family gathering, even a bustling office. What happens? You're not just hearing conversations. You're picking up on unspoken emotions, anxieties, joys, and even the energetic imprints left by countless other people. It's like trying to listen to a single whispered secret in the middle of a rock concert. It's simply overwhelming. Your system, designed for subtle perception, gets overloaded with sensory and energetic input. This isn't a flaw, it's a feature. Your sensitivity is your superpower, but like any superpower, it needs to be managed and understood. The second reason is directly linked to your energetic boundaries. As a chosen one, you often possess an inherent compassion that makes you a natural empath. You feel what others feel, sometimes even before they do. When you're around many people, particularly those carrying heavy emotions or unresolved issues, your energetic field, which is naturally open and giving, can unintentionally absorb these energies. It's not that you're weak, it's that your energetic sponginess means you're constantly taking in what's around you. Without conscious protection, you end up carrying burdens that aren't yours, leading to exhaustion, anxiety, and a feeling of being completely depleted. This isn't sustainable, and your spirit knows it. Thirdly, let's talk about your unique mission or path. Many chosen ones are here to bring light, healing, and truth into the world in their own unique way. This often requires periods of solitude, introspection, and deep connection with your inner self and with source energy. Large groups, with their diverse opinions, external pressures, and collective energy, can be incredibly distracting from this internal work. They pull you outwards when your true growth happens inwards. Your soul intuitively knows that sustained periods of solitude are essential for clarity, creativity, and recharging your spiritual batteries, allowing you to hear the whispers of your higher purpose. It's in these quiet moments that you receive guidance, downloads, and inspiration that help you fulfill your destiny. Another crucial point is the concept of energetic resonance. As someone vibrating at a higher frequency, you naturally seek environments and connections that resonate with that frequency. When you're in a crowd, the collective energy often operates at a lower or more chaotic vibration, simply due to the sheer diversity of individual states. This can create a dissonance within you. It's not about judging others, it's about recognizing that your energetic system seeks harmony. Prolonged exposure to non-resonant energies can feel jarring, uncomfortable, and frankly, quite exhausting for your sensitive system. Your spirit yearns for authenticity and alignment, and crowded spaces often dilute that sense of energetic purity. So, what's the solution? Does this mean you have to become a hermit? Absolutely not. This understanding is about empowerment, not limitation. First, acknowledge and accept your sensitivity as a gift, not a burden. Stop trying to force yourself into situations that drain you just to fit in. Second, learn to implement strong energetic boundaries. Visualize a shield of light around you, or simply set an intention that you are only open to positive, high-vibrational energies. Practice conscious detachment. Observe emotions and energies without absorbing them. Third, prioritize your solitude. Schedule me time as religiously as you schedule work meetings. This isn't selfish. It's essential self-care for your soul. Spend time in nature, meditate, engage in creative pursuits, whatever recharges your unique energy. Fourth, be intentional about your social interactions. Choose quality over quantity. Seek out individuals and groups who uplift you, who resonate with your spirit, and who respect your need for space. It's okay to say no to invitations that don't feel right. Listen to your intuition. It's always guiding you towards what serves your highest good. Remember, your energy is precious, and where you choose to invest it directly impacts your well-being and your ability to fulfill your spiritual purpose. Protecting your energy isn't about being antisocial. It's about being strategically social and deeply self. Finally, understand that this journey of self-discovery and energetic management is ongoing. There will be days when you feel more resilient, and days when you feel more vulnerable. Be compassionate with yourself. Honor your unique energetic blueprint. The world needs your light, but for your light to shine brightly, you must first tend to your own flame. Your inability to thrive in constant crowds isn't a weakness. It's a profound indicator of your spiritual depth and your powerful energetic nature. Embrace it, understand it, and learn to navigate the world in a way that truly supports your magnificent being. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this message resonated with you and brought some clarity. If it did, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more spiritual insights. And let me know in the comments below if you identify as a chosen one and how you managed your energy in crowded situations. Your experiences can help others too. Until next time, keep shining your incredible light.